hearts keep beating loud. Yeah, I miss holding you close to my chest. Long drives in the moonlight, windows down, freeway lines. Wish I could roll back the time to your kiss. I'm ready to start falling like I did when I first saw you. Looking through a crystal ball, all I see is me and you. I'm hanging on to this feeling. It's all I can do to keep breathing. Riding with my head in the clouds, but I know I'll be coming back down. We fall in, we fall out, but you're the one I dream about. Still hear your voice on the stereo. Late night, I'm lost in thought. Every song reminds me of us, and the way you made my heart beat low. I'm ready to start falling, falling deep but nothing new. Baby, it's all love, still sinking in the thought of you. I'm hanging on to this feeling. It's all I can do to keep breathing. Riding with my head in the clouds, but I know I'll be coming back down. Riding with my head in the clouds, but I know I'll be coming back in this jungle made of concrete. You're the one that makes me feel alive. I'll show you where the stars meet, a place that touches the sky. We'll leave this town, escape for the night. Just you and I, beneath the quiet lights. All that I need is you holding me tight, and together we'll watch the city lights. Together we'll watch the city lights. Oh, together we'll watch city lights. let you. Maybe I should have seen it coming through. I should just move on and forget you. 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 Pink and orange skies.
Joy is not a reward, it is mine right now. Choo-choo. Shake, shake, I celebrate the ordinary day. Hey, yeah. I don't wait for perfect to feel good. Choo-choo. I've been happy just exactly as I should. Morning playlist loud, choo-choo. Shake, shake, I dance before I think it through. Hey, yeah. The kitchen is my stage, choo-choo. Laughter is my favorite page. Shake, shake. Joy lives in the little now. Hey, yeah. In the coffee and the meow, choo-choo. In the text from friends I love. Shake, shake. In the simple gift above. Hey, yeah. I stopped chasing joy as a prize, choo-choo. It was always right before my eyes. Shake, shake, I found it in the small. Hey, yeah. And that's the richest thing of all. Juju, life is full before the milestone come. Shake, shake, I celebrate the sun. Full joy right here, right now. Juju, I don't need a reason or a how. Shake, shake, I feel it and I let it lead. Hey, yeah, full joy is everything I need. Full joy is everything I need. Full joy right here, right now. Juju, I don't need a reason or a how. Shake, shake, I feel it and I let it lead. Hey, yeah, full joy is everything I need. Full joy is everything I need. Afternoon sun on my face. Hey, yeah, Juju, a stranger smiles and makes my day. Shake, shake, I stop saving joy for later. Hey, yeah, now is the celebration. Juju, that goes ahead are beautiful. Shake, shake, but the now is plentiful. Hey, yeah, I don't perform my happiness. Juju, this delight is mine to possess. Shake, shake, I laugh too loud and love it. Hey, yeah, I've stopped trying to be above it. Juju, joy is sacred and it's free. Shake, shake, and it belongs completely to me. Hey, yeah, I fill my days with what makes me bright. Juju, then pour it out like city light. On the harder days I still find one good thing. Hey, yeah, Juju, one small joy to make the spirit sing. Shake, shake, the choice to feel the good is mine. Hey, yeah, full joy doesn't wait for perfect time. Full joy right here, right now. Juju, I don't need a reason or a how. Shake, shake, I feel it and I let it lead. Hey, yeah, full joy is everything I need. Full joy is everything I need. Full joy right here, right now. Juju, I don't need a reason or a how. Shake, shake, I feel it and I let it lead. Hey, yeah, full joy is everything I need. Juju, I am alive and that is enough. Hey, yeah, shake, shake, the beauty of this day is real tough stuff. Hey, yeah, I receive it, I enjoy it, I let it in. Juju, full joy is where my everyday begins.
Hello. Hello.
Every closed door open into light, I say, whoa, I trust the path and
Hello.
the timing knows more than I do.
Yo,
I
Vicky.
say I align and walk right through.
Hey, Mambo. Good morning.
Morning.
I used to panic
You're
when
good.
things slowed.
Yeah.
When
Hiyo
nothing
wimbo
seems
Imekuwa
iko
pitch.
iko higher than
measure
your
progress
voice.
day to day. I say that
Just a
old
minute.
version fades away. Whoa, whoa, I look still is taking root. Underground before the fruit. I say I stop the timeline game. My path is mine to claim. Doors I'm on came back as more.
Okay. You can hear me
Hello.
now.
Yeah.
Hey, Guten Morgen. Oh, I see we have Alicia. Alicia, mambo? Not sure if she can hear me.
So,
Uh-huh.
yesterday niliweka sales stop.
Ah,
Yeah. Sell
so
limit, sorry.
so you must have grabbed something good.
Yeah.
So the market ili open kama imekupea profit.
Eh.
Ah, super, super.
Mm.
You see the way your fair value gap ilikuwa powerful.
Hey, hadi imepush nini? Imefanya market iende chini.
Obvious, yeah. Just a minute, wacha nimalize na huyu alafu. Okay. Oh, I was streaming this live. Unajua kuna watu wananiambia wako live YouTube, so I'm like, okay. Forgot I did stream this live. Okay. Click here. Nice one. So I think the London session is going to open in the next 30 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
So we want to find a very nice setup. You can grab something for the day. Wewe sasa umeamka na profit.
Eh.
How much did you take? How many pips?
40.
40 pips.
Mm.
Wow. That is $40 ama what is your calculation?
Ni si $40. Sijui si kuchukua 40 pips, nilichukua I guess 30. Alafu ikakuwa ni 27 dollars.
$27. That's nice. That's nice for a wise person.
Mm.
Because that is how many percentage have you made in that? Because $10, that is almost 2% of your account, almost 3%.
Mm-hmm.
And you
Maybe
made
4.
that money, and you made that money sleeping.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that was nice.
Mm-hmm.
Naona sasa this is where the emotion part normally comes in, because you realize you have a perfect strategy which can actually give you 3%, 2%, and then you see that, hey, e-trading inapea more than 10%.
Mm-hmm.
So the next time una increase lot size alafu una increase percentage, then you blew it.
Mm.
That's why consistency, that compounding consistency is the power of the game. Like you just take your 3%, be okay with it, borrow it another day. Like there's no bank in this world yenye inaweza kupea 3% every day ama hata 2%.
Yeah, true.
Yeah. So your power ya compound your account each and every day, that's so super. Okay, so you can see my screen.
Eh.
Niambie unaona nini? I want you now to do the analysis for us. Wacha nitoe hii vitu yangu. But I'm looking for this cell. I was just scouting to see whatever happens. I'm looking for price to come up a little bit up. So I'll remove
Where?
this. I'll remove this fib. Sijali, my chart iko kwa 15 minutes. Oh, Nelson atalia, sijamtumia link. Let me send it to him.
Money talks like this, it go be I hold my space.
So yeah, but simeweka kwa group, so nimeweka kwa group, yeah.
Financial faith is real, it will be abundance is the deal. I don't break from fear. My harvest time is here.
Sawa. Niko tu
So
around.
around
Yes,
wapi?
sir. Niko town.
Nyinyi watu mumeamka
Niko
kwa profit
mm.
hata hamuna mbio.
Eh. Hii ni time frame gani? 15 minutes.
Yeah, this is the
Niko
50
town.
ilikuwa town. Lakini si Fair Value Gap yenyu naona iliplay around. Iliplay super.
Ili play super like I do it. Nikasema mwe.
Like a yo-yo, the way Trump loves to say it.
Like I you.
Yeah, play
So
like a
you're anticipating for a buy.
buy. Oh, unaona buy kwa chati yangu.
Sell. Oh, una anticipate a sell. Anyway, let me ask you. Your box ni ya time frame gani?
Let me start from the beginning. This is for the 1 hour. See? This is the 1 hour box. What I'm anticipating is the usual.
Oh, ikuja hapo ndani. Is soup. Yeah, I see the confirmation, first confirmation, alafu kuna 618 hapo in between. So you have like 3 confirmation there. Alafu kuna hiyo ka supply zone, I love that. Ako ka flip zone.
Can you
Yes,
see?
I love that. Yes, I love that.
Pia kuna Fair Value Gap ingine, okay.
Nelson,
Our
last one is killing with Fair Value Gaps.
Amekuwa dean mwingine.
Amekuwa another dean.
Yeah. Good morning, last born.
So good morning.
So ngoje kwanza.
I think is when the London session is kicking in now. Just waiting for that impulse volume a little bit. Waiting for that impulse.
I breathe and let my spirit. The harvest follows what I sow. Like trust the things I can't.
Mzee wako wa Nyamazangi.
Wanakuanga na kelele huku town, hata sikuangi na amani.
Yeah, so technically this was the fib for the sell which we were looking yesterday. You see this? So ilikuja to the perfect 786, around the 786, which was super. Victoria.
Yes.
I hope uchanganikiwi. I hope you're actually catching something.
Kwa hiyo mambo ya box no.
Okay, see, it was not perfect, bro. That was not perfect.
What was not perfect?
Awesome. What you are saying was not perfect. It was awesome.
Okay, let's see how. Just a minute. Stay co-host. I'm trying to log in with so that I might be able to.
I will be muting my mic juu ya kelele huku.
Yeah, you should.
Yeah.
Hata mimi nilikuwa ni mute mic yangu. My background ni I'm playing some very loud music in my background. Mimi hata hamwezi sikia. Si unanijua tu mimi in the morning.
Tunasikia muziki ikiongea but inakuwa filter na nikele na nini. Sasa ukijimute alafu utaongea aje?
Sinasema nataka nizime hiyo music first. Let me.
Oh, sawa. Awesome.
Okay. Sawa. I think now it's silence. Whoa. Okay, so technically this is what we are looking at to see how everything goes for the day. I'm seeing we have I don't know if Alice she's back. Alice, good morning.
Morning to you, David.
Super. So you are here.
Yes, I saw the link and I thought I just needed to sneak in, and probably some of the things you're discussing are still very technical for me before we formalize everything.
Exactly. I know that. So just be a fly on the wall. You just said wacha tuone kama tunaweza pata some $10 hapa kidogo. So I know you're not still there. This is going to be a very foreign language.
No problem. No.
Yeah, but in due time najua utakachkach up when you get started.
Sure.
Yeah, awesome. Welcome.
Thank you.
Okay. So my people,
Yes.
I have my pending order ready. I'm just waiting for that entry to see how that one goes. This is technically what we are looking at today. Forex Factory, what is it telling us? Ni nani ameangalia news?
Mimi sijaangalia.
Kwa nini? Have you done your markup?
Yeah, but sijaangalia.
Okay, let's see. IRCGC Strait, Hormuz is closed. Iran to set up on fire. Any ships trying to pass? Oh, so oil will be doing some things which are crazy also. So let's see. We don't have any red folders today. So, but with the fundamentals just being in the air, so you can see the only news we have is no, we don't have any red folder. We have from C member William Speak that is an orange folder. So we don't have any brown folder or red folders. So I think for the day, I'm not expecting a lot of crazy action to take place, but with just be on toes, always be here on Forex Factory, because this is the time when world inakuanga into uncertainty. Like things might just happen from the bloom. So never trade without a stop loss, okay? In your time, you don't trade without a stop loss because anything can happen anytime. But with gold, I think we are good. So still expect a lot of volatility in the market. Expect a lot of
So are you
Uh-huh.
so are you saying that in regard to the book Trading in the Zone, because you see the 5 rules, you are saying one of them, anything can
Yeah.
happen.
Anything can happen.
Mhm.
Yeah, remember the market doesn't know wewe una trade account ndogo ama kubwa. It doesn't care. It doesn't care that you're looking for the rent ama unatafuta nini. It doesn't care. Hiyo haina emotion.
we call it random distribution of wins and losses.
Exactly. So but you just have to position yourself, and that's why like the good setup that we have today, it's so awesome. We can be able to see where the institutions might be able to chip in and manipulate price too. So for the day, let me just look how the day looks like. Let's come back. If we look at the daily, you can see my chart now again. Okay, can you see my chart?
No.
No.
Your chart is so on the left.
Here?
Yes, now it's visible.
Okay. So technically on the daily, you see the reason why I'm still expecting like some sells is because of this. Okay, this one it wants to misbehave now. Now this one wants to misbehave. Are you seeing where my goal target is for the sell?
Where?
Are you seeing here?
524.
52, around 52.26.
Mbona hapo?
Around 52.20. So technically, if you can look on the daily carefully, what is this on the daily?
Fair value gap.
Exactly, exactly. So this is the areas I was still expecting price to come back. Initially, we had this break of structure. You see this break of structure? So price just retested the area. So don't be surprised as well when price decides to massively go up, okay?
Really?
So this is why Victoria, you see me putting a box, because whichever way price will break, okay,
Mm-hmm.
it'll be the direction of where price wants to be going to. So when I see price breaking these zones above, I'll technically expecting price to go all the way up to around 54.87. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Our psychological areas for the buys is going to be 55.75. That is, this could happen for the whole of this week. Okay. This is our goal target. This is a long time. This is somebody who is looking to buy gold long term. Let's say somebody who is looking to buy gold by the end of maybe for just this week, like the first 2 weeks of the month. Okay. But remember, you always look for the buy lows areas, the buy low. Okay.
Mhm.
Yeah, you don't want to buy high and you find yourself that the institutions want to liquidate a little bit before they start buying, because the big boys always want to buy low. So, and that's where most of their profit will come in. This is why I'm still expecting gold to come a little bit lower before we get that massive manipulation to go up. If anything happens and we get the baddest news, then we are looking to gold coming to around 50.65 to retest this area. This is on the daily. And remember, we are just looking at an overview of what might happen on the market in the course of the
Week.
okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So this is another psychological area, and you can see here, like you're getting a very nice fair value gap just below these areas. But for price to come here, we need first to break this demand area, which is very, very, very strong currently. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So on the daily, this is what we're looking at. If you go down to the 4-hour, and I think I need to limit these things so that let me remove all this. Msione vitu mingi mshangae huyu jamaa kuna vitu ngapi kwa chat. So you can see where our targets maliko. Are you seeing on the 4-hour what gold did? Not sure if you're able to see. If you're able to see, respond.
Yeah, I
These are
can
the
see.
areas. Mhm.
Yeah, we can see that.
Yeah, so these are the areas, and technically you can just decide to name this area and see what gold wants to do there. An overall buy fib. Let me put an overall buy fib. Let me remove this. This is for the 4-hour. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I'll use this low, go to this high. So are you seeing why I'm expecting gold down here? I'm not sure if kama mnaona a lot of things mnaniambia.
Okay, mi naona a lot of things. Naona red, naona green.
Unaona a lot of things.
Mm-hmm.
Acha nikutolee vitu zingine so that so remember, my blue candles represent what?
Bye.
Represent buys. Red candles represent, sorry, black candles represent sells, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So if I'm to put an up fib, this is for the 4-hour, this is my low, and this is my high, okay?
Yeah.
So this is my low. Let me use this tool. So this is my low, and this is my high. Okay. So I'm expecting something like this. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
This is what I'm expecting to happen. First, I'm expecting to get to these buy low areas. This is why I'm expecting price to kind of try to come and retest this area one more time before we maybe get a push up. Okay? If I'm to put my fib, if this was my low and this was my high, because remember, price is overall on what trend?
Buy.
Price is overall on the buy on an uptrend. Remind me to put, I didn't put an alarm, so let me just put an alarm here. Allow me to put an alarm here, so because I'm seeing price might come there na tukose kuipata. Create. Okay, alarm set. Yeah, so when price touches that area, I'll get a notification to jump on a trade or see what price is doing. So we have a supply area on top of us, and this is the next demand areas that I'm able to see. This is on the 4-hour. This is a demand 4-hour. Demand 4-hour, basically do that. And I'm doing this basically for you, Vicky.
Okay.
This was my 1-hour this was my 1-hour fair value gap, so which hope you can be able to retrace it back. And on the 4-hour, it's not a good looking like fair value gap. Remember where price is. So we first invalidated this gap. Price came, reacted. So that's why I'm still expecting price to come a little bit below. So if we go down to the next time frame, this is how we just break price to be able to identify areas of interest, greatest areas of interest. Greatest areas of interest. Now, see what price is doing now. So this is it technically. This is what now price is doing. I'm looking for price to retest our fair value gap. Now you are able to see this fair value gap clearly. Are you able to see it? This is on the 1-hour. Okay. This is where I remember, look at this candle. This was the institution candle. So probably if they want to sell, they want to sell low. They want to sell high. Okay. So this is the areas possibly they might be getting in. This one. And I'm looking if they're going to get in, probably they want to get in here, try to manipulate people like prices coming down to these areas of interest. You can see it was a previous very nice demand area.
Yeah,
Okay.
demand, yeah.
Yeah, you can see it was a previous demand area. So these are the kind of confirmation. Remember, if you had this fair value gap on the daily and you come on the 1-hour, you are able to see it is a demand area. You see where the buckle is. The buckle is fair value gap of what?
4-hour.
This is
4-hour
this is
demand.
so you can see there's like a 1-hour fair value gap here, and there's a 4-hour demand which is like the front wall. Okay.
Yeah.
This is a very psychological area, and if you put a fib, so remember, if right now we are looking for what? Sales. So you're putting a down.
Down
Okay.
fib.
So
Sell
technically
fib.
you want to get in at around these areas.
Which areas?
At around the 618. Are you seeing? So if you now you see why I decided to get in here. It's because of what? We have a fair value gap, but remember, price can manipulate you a little bit to go a little bit higher. Okay. You see why I decided to kind of increase my risk appetite. because of I did realize that the 786 is a little bit higher. So this is why I'm putting my 786 a little bit higher, my stop loss a little bit higher. Okay.
Okay.
If you're not able to manage this kind of a stop loss, you don't put your stop loss there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, for me, I'm able to manage my stop loss even up here because of the type of account that I'm trading at. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but this is where you exercise some patience. You exercise patience, but you can just decide to enter and put your stop loss above the fair value gap. Okay. That's
Okay.
it. That is at the 618.
That is 30, 53, 40.
Around 53.60, just on top of it a little bit. So you can say 53, maybe 53.60, 67 there.
53.67.
Yeah. And for those of you who wanna just take this, you can see it is also at the retracement level of the 20 moving average. Are you able to see it?
Mm-hmm.
So price is retracing the 20. I'm looking for it to touch the 20 before it. Technically, I was looking for price to come back and retest the 200. These are the areas I'm still expecting price to come back to. You see here, the negative 618 down here.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm realizing there's a lot of resistance level. We have this level here. This is the first level, okay, around 52.20.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we might get some manipulation here, but eventually I'm seeing price because remember the moving average are not constant. They keep on moving, okay,
Mm-hmm.
and because they keep moving, so as price moves, probably this 200 MA will be now around up here, if I'm not wrong. We are looking at it in the 1 hour. Okay. So let's focus on the trade that we are looking for to take to see the time frames that are going to confirm for us for the trade. Okay. So first of all, the first thing we have a confirmation, which is what? Fair value gap. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
This is our first confirmation for us taking this L here. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
The next confirmation is what?
The 618.
Yeah, we have the 618 just above us. But if you look on the left, this was what?
Demand zone.
This was a demand zone. So we have a support line here. Okay.
Mm.
So we have a support line here. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Our third confirmation is it is at the retest of what? What type of MA? The 20 moving average.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So if we now start going down to break it down to the lowest time frame, like the time frame that might be able to lead us to maybe decide to take profit or to do what. So let's just break it down. Let's see what the 30 is doing. Roy, okay.
Yeah, the 30, it still has a fair value gap.
So on the 30, we still have a fair value gap, and we're getting that cross. So technically, the 30 is telling us price might consolidate here for a very long time because the 20 is in the middle. I'm going to, Victoria, you don't know about that. That is another advanced strategy on how you're looking at those MAs, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but technically, we're just seeing the 20 there. So technically, I'm looking for price still to, the 30 is still supporting our trade. The 30 minute is still supporting our trade. You can see it is also a previous support area. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So that is a very good confirmation. We can decide to rely on the 30 minutes for our trade. Let's look at the 15 minute, what the 15 minutes is telling us. Remember, I'm looking for the time frame that is supporting what? My trade. And this is where the banger is going to come in from. Now, Alison, I'm not sure if you're here.
Yeah, he's still here.
I'm here,
According to
it's
what,
just the noise.
what are we looking for the biggest, best confirmation now? If you
I
look
am
at
looking
our
for that.
MAs,
I'm looking for that cross.
you're looking for that
20 to
cross.
cross. 20 to
Is
cross
that
below, then 200 to go above, and 66 in the middle. The
so this is the
alignment.
so this is the time frame that I'll be really much focusing on. Okay. And anybody who wants to like wait to see what price does, you can wait for this kind of cross. When this cross happens, 20 crossing the 66, then I want the 200 to go up to cross again the 66. That's when we'll be able to get the momentum for the sales all the way down. All the way
Okay,
down.
sir. Just a quick question.
Mhm.
I'm curious to know, like, okay, I'm not that good in MAs. I'm still learning about
Yeah.
them. So I
Yes.
was asking, my question is, why did you just pick the particular time frame? Because we have the 1 hour and going back. Why did you? What
So
makes you pick the
technically,
particular time frame?
you see, I've been breaking it down and I'm seeing the consistency in all of this, okay? So in the 1 hour, we are seeing the 20 is at the fair value gap, okay? I don't know if you've been able to go with us, how we've been breaking it down. The 20 is here in the 1 hour.
Yeah, I saw it there.
On the 30 minutes, it's also looking at similar thing, okay? Now, the closest time frame that we might be able to look at is the 15 minutes, and we are seeing that cross is about to happen like immediately, okay? Okay, you've went muted. So this is why I'm
Yeah,
saying this
sure.
is, yeah. So you
I'm
can,
trying to mute myself for the noise.
oh, it's okay, the background, I understand. Mhm.
Yeah.
So you can actually see the correlation between those both time frames on what they're really screaming. And when you break it down, the immediate time frame that you're able to like be patient and wait for price to happen before you enter trade is actually either the 15 minutes, and let's break it down further to see what the 5 minute is telling us, okay?
So before you go further, can you kindly just go back to the 1 hour? I just want to see that consistency you're talking about. I didn't get it. Now that you have explained it, I want to just kind
Are you
of
able
like
to see?
have that review. Yes,
I'm
I
in the
can
1
see the
hour.
1 hour. Yes.
Are you seeing
Yes.
where the 20 is?
Yeah, I see the 20 the
So
inside the
automatically
fair
when
value group.
price, so automatically when the price normally retraces to the 20, what happens?
Drops.
It drops. So look at the 30 minutes. What is happening?
20 just crossed below the 200.
Are you seeing
That
where the 20?
66, sorry.
Mhm.
Yes, it's crossing the below the 66.
Now we are at the 15 minutes. Are you seeing?
Yes, I'm seeing 20 is kind of trying to come in the middle.
Okay. Now
Yeah.
let's go 5 minutes. Okay. Don't worry so much about your background. You know Zoom, how Zoom does everything. So you see on the fifth,
Okay.
so on the 5 minute, what happens?
On the 5 minutes, 20 crossed below the 200. So we are waiting for the 66 to cross below the 200.
Are you seeing now the kind of information we're looking for?
Yeah.
So remember, I told you whatever happened in the lowest time frame is automatically what will actually also happen in the biggest time frame. So if you can retrace back, this is what happened. You see this kind of dropped, which we did miss it on the 5 minute. You see this?
Yeah,
We
exactly.
did miss it, but we can see the pattern repeating itself. We want the pattern to repeat itself in the 30 minutes. We want it to repeat itself in the 1 hour as well, and in the 15 minutes.
Sure. Yes, exactly.
So in this time frame, this is the cross we're looking for. 66 to cross there.
The 200.
And you can see here clearly for like we are not just looking at the MAs, we're looking also at setup. Which kind of
Yeah,
setup
we have
is
that.
giving us this is a supply.
We have that supply zone.
This is a supply zone.
Double confirmation.
That is a double confirmation. Okay. Then let's break it further. I didn't want to go further, but let's 22 further for the sake, because all of you are here. You just see why. So this cross already happened. It might be the retracement to the 200. Okay. So you can see the lowest time frame are the ones like are telling us a little bit, we might be getting a manipulation, okay? And this manipulation, I'm talking like this. If the 20, you see, it is the reverse of the biggest time frame. So if the 20 now crosses up to come in the middle, okay, we're expecting some bullish momentum. But this is on the 3-minute. So when this cross happens, this might be just a manipulation that the price wants to go up. Then the 20 again crosses back down. Okay. So if you're looking to take these cells, you'll be waiting for the 20 to, if it wants to cross up, for it to cross back down for you to take your trade. Okay.
Yeah, so you mean the 20 now will be pushing price to our entry?
The price,
That's
yes,
it.
exactly. It will be pushing price to our entry. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
And I think this similar thing, I think it has already happened on this time frame. Look, this is the 2-minute. It has already happened. So you're getting double confirmation that price wants to do whatever we're thinking. Okay.
Yeah.
So you might be able to look price at
Exactly.
this lowest time frame, targeting the 15-minute. Okay. So this is the time frame that will be helping you to be moving your stop loss. When we get this entry, you can decide to take it, or if you are not if kama uko na hiyo uoga kidogo, what you can do is you wait for price to come to our entry levels. You don't enter, okay? You'll only enter when the 20 cross back, which you might be late, okay?
Yeah,
But sometimes
exactly.
it's safer to be, because the opportunity. So let's look at what the 1 minute is. Okay, look at what the 1 minute is doing.
Wow.
We got the cross, we're now getting the double cross. We go to our entry, then we expect the 20 to flip.
To flip down.
Exactly. So we can literally stack here, just waiting to see whatever the 20 is doing, and this is the time frame we can decide to enter our trade at. And I think it's coming, so I'm just putting my entry. And also this is a kind of a warning that price might go a little bit up, okay? Because if we get this cross, we're expecting price to massively push, so we don't know how much it will push. And when it pushes, the best confirmation is when the 20 turns around, and the best entry is when we're actually going to get that entry there. So let's wait and see.
So I shouldn't put a sell limit.
No, it's okay. It's okay putting a sell order. Just put your sell order there. It's okay. Because yeah, this is the 1 minute. You're just looking for some small. For you, I think you're doing the strategy. You're only taking 20 pips, Sindio. So you're very much okay. We know this is a very high resistant area, and the 1 minute is also telling you we have what. And I don't want you to be looking at the 1 minute right now at the level you are. Itakusumbua kidogo, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, because there's usually a lot of noise. I'm just showing you so that you are able to trace price to see the volatility that normally comes in within this lowest time frame to see what happens.
Okay.
So you can actually see me. I've not been doing any other markups on the lowest time frame. What I just did my markup on the 1 hour. I did everything on the 1 hour. Now I'm trying to break it down to see what time frames are supporting my trade. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, and I'm trying to look what barriers are there, because if I'm going to town, I need to know nitapita stage fulani, nitapita bump fulani, nitapita nini fulani, nitapita nini fulani. Okay? Yeah, so I'm just trying to, and that is the goodness about trading. You are able to define your risk. You're able to define like, okay, this is what I'm seeing in my way. This is the business that I'm doing. This is what in my way. This is what it is in my way. When you know your obstacles, you're able to control the risk. You're able to come up with a very nice strategy to be able to protect your capital. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. So let's see what happens. But this is, I know this is going to be a banger. Another banger. Acha tusongeshe hii nini yetu karibu hapa because naona ni kama tunakujiwa tu saizi. When we get this cross, get ready to enter. It's 11, so we are at the top of the hour already. We are at the top of the hour. I think this is going to... Now, somebody might ask, why should I not get into a buy for price to go to my entry? Okay? Because we know price is going where?
To our entry.
To our entry.
Mhm.
So somebody can decide, okay, I'm not willing to wait with you guys. What I'm doing is I'm entering now. For the buy,
Mhm.
okay, I'm entering for this small buy from here to here. Okay?
Mhm.
And you'll be out. This is how many pips? And this is what I love about trading, because you're able to capitalize on price going both ways. So this is 13, almost 13 pips. Sorry, 16 pips. Is it 16? Oh
Yeah.
no, this is
No, 169.
This is 169. So
Yeah.
this point, so you are able to push a buy button. Oh, I was just talking of a buy button and it is buying.
So is it
So you're...
advisable? Quick question, yeah?
Yeah.
For example, the way we've spotted our fair value gap here, and then we know that's where we're expecting price to reach.
Yeah.
Is it advisable to pick a buy to your entry point and then sell back?
Normally, to mitigate your risk, you will always want to trend in the direction of the trend, okay?
Mm-hmm.
You don't want to counter trend. But when you reach at a level that you know now, like I'm not having the patience to go there, and you can actually mitigate that risk, because I told you, at least do an average of at least 3 trades or 4 trades, depending, you're risking at least 3% only in the day, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So you can actually say, my first trade, I'm taking it to my entry level, okay?
Mm-hmm.
A good percentage, that trade is always going to be a win, okay? Because
Okay.
so you don't have the surety of the other trade. So when let's say you entered this trade for the buy and it played out, okay?
Mm-hmm.
You had a small account, so you entered a 0.01 lot size, okay?
Mm-hmm.
You get at least, let's say, $20.
Mm-hmm.
Depending on the amount that you are now trading, you get at least $20. So whatever you'll do, you risk that $20 here, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Expecting price to come down. That is the amount of money that you'll now risk, okay? On your next trade. So you'll not be risking your own money, you'll be risking the market's money, okay?
Okay.
So that is the amount, and you can see so you'll now be comfortable even increasing your lot size a little bit. Let's say now you entered 0.01, now you're entering 0.02, because this is the trade that you're really expecting for it to give you a good amount of money. This is the setup that you're really expecting. So you can see how this buy is happening. This is awesome.
Okay.
So we adjust some few points to our entry. Yeah, few points to our entry. Sorry, my chart is looking like this is because of I'm in the lowest time frame. I decided just to stick in the lowest time frame. Ndio tuone venye price ina behave. Let me just remove this thing so that iwache kubwa kubwa. I'll go back to the 1 hour first. Imekuwa kubwa sana, imekuwa mnono sana. Najua mpaka inawasumbua kuona. If I'm presenting the screen, lazima inawasumbua kuona.
Ni kubwa. Unaona tu the drawings.
So first of all, I'll remove my box. I'll hide my box so that tukuwe na some clarity. Fair value gap, I'll keep it. Viki anasema ni kubwa. Okay. I hope itakuwa ndogo enough. This will be small enough so that haitawasumbua. I'll also hide this fair value gap. I'll just hide it. Hide it. Then I'll bring back my tool, and then we can go now to the time frame we are monitoring price at. There we go. Bado ni kubwa.
Karibu kufika though.
Sasa hapa naweza hii nini sasa? Like that. So let me not put it all the way up because tuikae tu hapo. Then there we go. Haya, I think nime minimize enough, so bado ikikuwa kubwa wewe ndio umevaa magnifying glass. See, this one looks better. Okay. There we go. Nice one. So you can see how the buy is happening. So let's see. Let's wait for our entry. We are about to get triggered. How many candles more? I think in the next 15 minutes, we'll be getting our entry. In the next 15 minutes. Hope that cross has not happened in the 15 minutes. I'm not loving what price is doing. You see, whatever is happening, it's like, let me see. I think, did we get a cross in the 15 minute? Remember, we were looking for the cross. Not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. It's coming. It's coming. Let me put also an alarm for the cross. Oh, Rubina, thank you, David. I was able to snatch. Oh, okay. More abundance. Okay. Let's do it here. The cross, it's coming. Oh no, oh no, don't tell me we almost touched it. Not yet, not yet. So hapa ndio mtu anapatanga ile anxiety.
Bado ijashika, naangalia.
Hapa ndio mtu anapatanga ile anxiety like, oh, I think it already did. I think it already did not. It did not. So almost. So one last move. So are you able to see why now, like, it's a lot of noise in the 1 minute, but you can see in the 15 minutes ni kama hakuna kitu ina happen. Angalia kwa 1 hour pia, like, literally it's nothing. It's just
It's a doji.
Yeah, are you able to see? You see kwa 1 hour venye inaka, like, but tunapata a lot of noise, but we already touched the, it looks, did we touch the MA? Oh, we already touched the 20. This, okay. I'm still patient price to come a little bit up, but it looks like we touched. So we still have like a whole 1 hour to go. Mwenye alisha push button ameshapata 20 pips yake, but sisi bado tuko patience. Let's wait for it a little bit longer. It looks like because we missed it by a smaller, and this is normally, sometimes it happens. You can sometimes miss it with hiyo little margin kidogo hivi.
Iko kadogo ni like, naangalia.
Ni kadogo sana, but just be patient. Price normally plays that game okidok because
inacheza na emotions hapo hivyo.
Hapo inachezanga na emotion sasa, because unaweza enter mahali iko hapo alafu iende umeenter hapa alafu ikuje mpaka hapa.
Huwa inateremka na inapanda sasa, inarudi vizuri, and then you start regretting, then you enter another cell.
Yes,
Inaendelea
exactly.
kupanda.
So before you know it, uko ndani 3 trades in one wrong setup, then you find yourself ulitupa your rules
Frustrated.
outside, alafu hiyo trade imekosa kuplay out, so you'll end up regretting. Okay?
Exactly.
Okay, got you. Let's see. So 15 minutes. We are in the 1 hour. So 5 minutes for the 15 minutes to play out. Let's look back at what the 15 minutes is telling us. This is the time I always put my pending order now when I'm watching price. Now I'm waiting the pending order for the cross Puju. Okay. One more night. I'm putting 0.9. Done.
What is the entry? 53.34. Your chart is a bit small.
53.
Chati yangu ndogo.
53.41.
Hapo
53.41.
Eh,
Yeah. It's a bit better. 53.41. Me also put that pending order.
41. Let me see.
Is it 41 or 30 something?
On my MT5, mine is at 53.38, which okay. It's just a little. Kuna hizo nini hapo ndogo ndogo tu. Okay.
53.38.
That is on my MT5, my broker. And let's see what the 5 minutes does. Oh, we already got an engulfing candle on the 5 minutes. I don't know. Did we touch? But bado hatujapata hiyo cross uko juu. Umeona? Bado hatujapata hiyo cross. So let's see. Let me see how the volume market is in the London session. Where's my Livian session? Where it is? Also,
Yes.
na watu wako
Wanapiga kelele. Niwaambie.
Okay. How's the volume looking like? Let me not look at the ATR. Shoe 58.96. There we go. Yeah. For me, the trade is still looking good. So I'm having the balls to wait. Just waiting. I'm not rushing this trade. Just waiting to see what happens. 1 minute, najua mkiangalia saizi ni vituko. Nacho tuangalie so that you can see. Are you seeing what price is again doing? Sijui kama mnaona chenye nilikuwa nawaambia. I'm not sure if you're able to see. Nelson. able to see, I was expecting 20 to cross
Yeah,
up,
yeah.
then to do what? To again come back down.
Yeah, yeah, I've seen that.
Yeah. So technically, this is technically what is happening. Let's look at the 2-minute kama price imefanya the similar thing. So the 2 minutes is telling us still exercise what? Patience. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Have you seen what has happened in the 1 minute? The 1 minute 20 liendeka across the 200. Okay. The 2 minute, that thing has not happened yet. But price is manipulating you like it wants to come down. So for me, the 2 minutes still telling me I'm still expecting that thing to happen around this area. Okay.
Yeah.
So it's patience. Let's see if I want you to see, look what happened in the 1 minute.
So in short, you are waiting also the 20 to close above the 200 in the 2 minutes.
Exactly. That is similar pattern what I'm expecting to happen. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it's never accurate like it happened over and over, but according to the strategy, the way I've been doing things, this pattern playing over and over and over again. To a point, I'm getting that confidence just to say it louder. That thing will come. Okay. So 3 minutes. So the 3 minute is when you're going to get the cross for the 66 na nini. So again, wale watu walikuwa wanataka kuchukua buys, you can literally take buys. But I'll not take any buys. So in the meantime, I'll just wait and see. So I'll be watching the 2 minutes. So which time frame are we looking at, Sana? 2 minutes, 15 minutes. Okay. Remember the 15-minute cross and the 2 minute. Okay. So let's wait. You'll excuse me, guys, for just like 5 minutes. Let me do this. Bang. There. Then I go back to okay. As you're waiting for that, can you excuse kidogo too? And see this.
It's still loving cannot else guess how we get up there as simple. You lift me up. You up here, I see all the stars. Ooh, there go Venus and there go Mars. Something you've been through. Go from above.
Hey, when I first saw you, I got excited. Tried to keep my composure, trying to hide it, but I didn't know. I didn't let go. Then the birds and me were trying to fight it, just like a kite and learned to ride it, but I didn't know. You're supposed to let it go. Learn from when you sometimes, like the must winds, you push me back from so high. But the must go away. You were my with your love, I can board the skies, running away, that electrified mothership other. Cannot stow away, not stow away. Telephone rings up in the sky, it's a close day, and here is why, cause of color, you float me away, float me away. Don't you know that they're the same? The minute learn the way, learn from when you hit. Sometimes, like the must wind, you push me back once a little while. But the must go away, you were my you let me. When I first saw you, I got excited. Tried to keep my composure, trying to hide it, but I didn't know. I didn't let go. Then I realized I'm trying to fight it, just so then I learned to ride it, but I didn't know. Oh, I had to let it go. Sometimes, might think crazy what I'm about to say. I should heal you, take away. I feel blue, I could go to space with the air. I don't care about the way. Because I'm clap along if you feel like a room is out of room. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm clap along if you feel like that's what you want. Here come bad news, talking this and that. And you got no home back. Oh, yeah, I'll be just fine. Friends, you don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm clap along if you feel like a room. Clap along if you feel like happiness is true. Because I'm clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want. Bring me down. Can't nothing bring me down. Love is too high, bring me down. Can't nothing bring me down. I said, take it down, bring me down. Can't nothing bring me down. Love is too high, bring me down. Can't nothing bring me down. I said, take it down. Not alone if you feel like a room without a roof. Not alone if you feel like happiness is the truth. Not alone if you know what happiness is to you. Not alone if you feel like that's what you want to do. Not alone if you feel like a room without a roof. Not alone if you feel like happiness is the truth. Not alone if you know what happiness is to you. Not alone if you feel like that's what you want to do. Bring me down, can't nothing bring me down. The love is too high, bring me down, can't nothing bring me down. I said, come down, I'm alone. If you feel like a room with no home first, come alone. If you feel like happiness is the truth, come alone. If you know what happiness is to you, and come alone. If you feel like that's what you want to do, come alone. If you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is yours. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want. Come on.
Okay, but
Keep my hands on myself. Keep focused on more, put them back on the shelf. Just a little baby girl is me. Not coming out of left field. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks. I've been feeling it since 1966 now. Happy over now, but I feel it still. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. Let me kick it like it's 1986 now. Happy over now, but I feel it still. Got another mouth to feed. Leave it with the babies till the mama call the grave digger. Gone with the falling leaves. Am I coming out of left?
I'm a rebel for whiskey. Look at the speed.
Feel it still.
Price still playing games with us. Let's see.
Get into that easy living. Goodbye to my hopes and dreams. Stop. Oh, it's a little cold, so follow me.
Easy coming. I'm a rebel for risky.
Nobody now, feel it still. I've been feeling it since 1966 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. Let me kick it like it's 1986 now. Might be over
Not
now,
looking good.
feel it still.
Just hope it's manipulation. Damn.
Hello? Hello?
Yay, hey, mambo.
Tumebaki wawili sasa.
Oh, tumebaki wawili. Wengine
Mhm.
walitoroka.
Yeah.
It's okay. Uh-huh. Hii trade ni kama inataka kuendelea kuchezea na hapa. Inataka kuenter kama sisi tutaki kunini. Oh, tumepata cross. So let's wait to see how that cross looks like. Mhm. Najua tukibreak hiyo code there, I think we'll be going down. Acha tuone, let me see if you're getting any momentum kunionesha in the 5 minute. Tuko saa ngapi? Oh, na nusu. So I gotta check the 30 minutes a little bit. Yo. This is sometimes what happens. It looks like we missed
Umetuacha.
entry. Ooh, we missed our entry by, umeona? We missed our entry by some pips. Like, this is not good. Anyway, I'm still exercising patience.
Inaweza rudi. Si ati iwezi rudi.
Inaweza rudi. That is itarudi. That is what I'm expecting. I expect irudi. Yeah, I'm expecting it still to come back. Like shida tukipata hiyo engulfing candle haitakuwa mzuri. So unajua shida, the problem is tukirudi tunaweza rudi ndani kidogo.
Uko juu?
Yeah, tunaweza rudi kwa backwall huku juu. But let's see, because I'm getting, naona hiyo momentum imekuwa very high for the cells. The reason is because of that. Unaona hii cell inakuja because of this cross ya 15 minutes. Normally it like the way I've coded my thing, it's normally just good. Ukipata hii signal, expect it to go at least 20 pips down. Hiyo inakuanga like immediate most of the time.
Okay.
And I think it has already gone down, so you see, I already have $40 in my account. Just I have automated that thing to my own account. When that cross comes, automatically it enters me. Sijui kama unaona screen yangu.
Sioni. Ficha na
Unaona?
mkono ukishikilia simu. Shikilia simu nyuma. Like
Hapa.
screen. No, not like that. Na mkono mbili. Ufiche. Nika unaficha hivi. Ushikilie side ya nyuma. Hivyo. But sasa shikilia
unaona?
vizuri. Karibisha mbele. Unaona mali sura yako iko hivi. Weke mbele ya uso.
Hapo.
Hivyo.
So unaona?
Nimeona.
So see
Okay. Okay. Utanifunza hizo zote.
So hiyo nimeweka, hiyo ni sniper entry. I'm already out of that. $80 is secured.
Kai. Okay. But it's a learning process. I will learn with time.
Don't usikuwe na mbio. Ningeacha hii ilikuwa inanipea more than 50. So anyway, it's because when mara mingi nikiwa live sipendangi ku trade live na, because saa zingine kuna kuanga na hiyo commotion a little bit. But anyway, let's wait. I'm still expecting, because even though it looks like Fries now wants to run. Wacha nione 1 hour inasema nini? Tuone the 1 hour.
1 hour isha run.
Oh, that was a big run, like massive run. But unajua 1 hour candle haija close, but sasa this is where sometimes you want to FOMO.
But no.
No, don't FOMO. Yeah. This is where sometimes somebody feels like FOMOing, but mi naambianga mtu just stay patient. Stay patient. Don't be surprised. That thing can come back na hata ushangae.
Uone tu ulikuwa na FOMO kitu hakuna.
That thing can come back ushangae. Tuone. Kuna mahali tulipoteza momentum. So, this is why my thing did say a sell. You see why I was saying this is where the entry. Unaona the kind of thing I was talking to you guys. So technically this was the manipulation, fooling people that price is going up. Sika unaona?
Wapi?
Hapa. Unaona chenye 20 ilijifanya inaenda juu, then automatically ikarudi immediately na ika close below.
Like,
This is what I now call the second confirmation mali tungeweza enter. Unaona? You see where the sell came in. So this is why my system ilini enter kwa sell automatically because of this time frame. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So you see hiyo 20 pips inakuanga ni like assurance, hiyo inakuanga insurance, hiyo inakuanga tu hapo. So
Hiyo
if
ni
we go
lazima.
hiyo kwangu hiyo ni lazima. Hiyo hata sinanga story ingine.
Utanionyesha kufanya hivyo.
Yeah, it will come. You are all going to get all these things.
Okay.
So the second system is coming. So that is for the 2 minutes. But I would like price to pull up a little bit. I still would like price to pull up a little bit. Ningependa price full people again ikuje mpaka kwa zones, kuje mpaka kwa entry huko. Still, I will still like it. So it might take a while. I think you can hold on for, I don't know if kama uko you are engaged somewhere, you can exit. It's okay. I think you've stayed long enough. But Mimi, I'm willing to stay in the chart up to 12 is when maybe close everything and go. But nitaacha my pending orders hapo.
Inaweza acha tu hiyo pending order tu ikifanya. Because
Unaweza acha hiyo. Yeah, unaweza acha hiyo pending order yako hapo na you go do what you have to do. Yeah, that is the best thing about trading.
Nika nitaiwacha.
Sorry?
Nika nitaiwacha hiyo pending order.
Unaenda wapi leo?
Nafaa kufanya some house chores.
Some house chores, unataka kufua? Ama house chores inakuanga ni gani? Inakuanga ni kunini?
Kuosha vyombo.
Hauna dishwasher?
Hiyo sina.
Ndio niambia nitafute dishwasher. Sasa I'm like, sasa hiyo kitu inaoshaje vyombo?
Inajua inaoshanga?
Sasa aje?
Inaoshanga na pressure.
So I'll go look at it.
But
that is the only thing I'm laziest. I love cooking, but I hate washing utensils.
Then you need a dishwasher.
The only reason I buy food out from outside is because of vyombo.
Ama unaweza nunua tu disposable plates.
Sasa nimefanya hiyo mara mingi sana.
Ukatoka?
Okay. Antonita has done this to. Okay, it's okay. Can handle that. Okay. Let me stop streaming this because it was streaming on YouTube. Hata call yenyewe sijui imeenda wapi. Share, breakthrough, record, layout. Oh, that cell was big.
Isha. Haiwezi rudi.
We missed an entry by bado 1 hour, bado haija close until 1 hour ifunge. Remember that fair value gap was for the 1 hour.
but inaweza rudi. I still have hope.
Hii Zoom imeenda wapi? There we go, we got it. Then I gotta stop this live.